Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Do you guys notice anything different? I got a new backdrop. I'm so excited, guys. I actually was using sidetrack, sorry. I'm just really excited about this. I actually was using my wall, and I don't know if you guys noticed, but you can like see some texture because the wall that I have is like really textured. I could tell that it was textured in my videos, and my filming situation is very like there's not really much space to work with, so I'm really happy that this kind of worked out. I actually also have this light sitting behind me. I feel so like official or something like that. But yes, like I really am digging this. I hope you guys enjoy it. Let me know if you guys like it down below. I'm gonna switch up some other colors as well, not just this one. But yeah, I'm really excited to have a new backdrop finally. Looking a little bit more, you know, professional. So anyways, we're gonna get into this look. So today I'm gonna be doing a new look using Sigma's Untamed palette. And this is a very pretty palette. It has, you know, some softer tone, neutral tone colors with a little bit of color, but nothing bright and like over the top necessarily, but very pretty. I love Sigma. They're so nice, and I love their brushes and their brush cleaner. Oh my gosh. Like this is like my favorite brush cleaner, the little soap thing, because it just makes it go by so fast. But I'm gonna get into this look. I'm gonna start with some Anastasia Beverly Hills eye primer on my eyes, and I'll be right back. Now I'm back and I have the Anastasia Beverly Hills eye primer on, and I'm gonna go in with the palette, and I'm gonna start with this color called Boho. This is a really pretty color. It's like a dark mustardy yellow color. I'm gonna take that color Boho on a Morphe M514 brush, and I'm gonna start by placing this color in my crease, like in the front here, but it looks more brown than I thought. I actually thought it was gonna have some yellowness to it, kind of like this, but like darker, but it actually looks more brown, but that's okay. I'm gonna go with the flow and just continue to blend this into my eye. And now I'm going to take a lighter color to help me kind of blend it out more. So since that was kind of darker than I expected and more brown, I'm gonna try to be more careful with the colors I select, because sometimes it is hard to tell what something is going to look like until you actually put it on. And sometimes it looks exactly like what you expected. So I'm actually going to go in with this color called Docile. I'm not sure how to pronounce that. And I'm going to take that color on a Morphe M441 brush, and I'm just going to use this on the edges to just help me blend out that first color a little bit more. It's definitely, you know, gonna lighten the color, but I just like to do it this way. And we're gonna put something else over here, so I'm just gonna avoid that section and just focus on the front. And now I'm gonna go back with that first color, Boho, and I'm just going to, you know, of course, bring it back to life since it got lightened, and also blend it up a little bit higher. Next, I'm going to take this color called Camouflage. This green looks super duper pretty, so I definitely want to use it. I don't really do greens a lot, so figured why not. And I'm gonna take this green color Camouflage on a new Morphe M514 brush, and I'm just gonna add it into the crease right next to this first color. And I'm just going to slowly buff it out because this is a pretty dark color. So I'm kind of scared of it, but it's okay. I'm gonna try to work it out. And now I'm gonna go back in with that second color right here, Docile or Docile, whichever way it's pronounced, or maybe it's pronounced completely different. But I'm gonna take that color again on the same brush, and I'm going to kind of just sweep this color on my brow bone to set my brow bone, but also I'm going to kind of blur the camouflage color to kind of help me blend it out a little bit more. And then I'm going to go back with that camouflage color, of course, and I'm just going to kind of bring it back to life. Very, very pretty. I do like where this is going. Everything is blending out really great so far, which I kind of expected because it's Sigma. Like, they're a really good brand. They have really good high quality products, especially their brushes. Like, their brushes, they just feel nice. Forget like how it actually works. Like, the product itself, like it doesn't like feel cheap like some brushes can, which I mean, to each their own, no shade, but I really like how high quality like Sigma brushes feel and look. They're just really nice. I know I'm like not even using any Sigma brushes in this video, but I really love my Morphe ones, as you guys can tell, because I use it every single video. Okay, so now I'm going to do a little cut crease moment. So I'm going to take my makeup wipes and I'm just going to do a little cut crease here. Well, I'm just going to carve it out with my makeup wipes to make it easier, like that. And now I'm going to take some more of that Anastasia Beverly Hills eye primer, and I'm going to use that to help me carve out my eye. And to apply it, I'm going to be using my MAC Cosmetics 248 brush. Okay guys, so I have my cut crease on, and now I'm going to add another shadow, and I figured I'd add a shimmer. I actually have not done like a shimmery cut crease in a really long time, so I figured now is the time. And I'm going to add this color called Envy, just a nice little shimmery green color. And I'm going to take this color Envy on a BH Cosmetics number 12 brush. And actually, before I do that, I'm actually going to go back in with that green camouflage color just to add it back in here and blend it into the cut crease first. So I'm going to take it right by my lash line and just blend it out in this little corner here and blend it into the cut crease on the edge. And now I'm going to apply that Envy shimmer on to the eye. I'm just gonna quickly make sure I'm not creasing and just apply it here. And now I'm actually going to add another color on top of this just to kind of jazz it up a little bit, because I feel like it could look, you know, a little bit more extra. So I'm actually going to take this MAC Cosmetics ShadeShifter Duochrome eyeshadow called Hocus, and I think this is like one of their holiday collections if I'm not mistaken, but it looks like this. So I'm going to apply this color on top. And now I'm going to take this color again. I'm going to add this in the inner corner of my eye with a Morphe M507 brush. And I'm just going to put it like right here. Next, I'm going to add this color called Wicked. I'm going to apply this color Wicked with a Morphe M506 brush. And I'm going to put this like right by my lash line and blend it a little bit into the camouflage color. And now I'm going to add liquid liners. So I'm going to start with Freck's Lid Lick fluid liner in the color Martian, and I'm gonna apply this right on the edge of my cut crease. Now I'm going to add a black liner. I'm going to be using Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid liner in black. I've never tried this one before, so really interested in seeing if I'll like it. But I do like that it dries down matte, at least as far as I've seen. It looks like it dries down matte, so I'm going to use this to align my lid. Okay, so I can confirm that it does dry down matte, which is what I really like. I kind of prefer matte liquid liners instead of the ones that kind of dry shiny. And then I kind of noticed that this one did really good with the shimmer. Sometimes liners, you have to kind of like layer them if you don't want it to mix with the shimmers. But this one, I literally just one swipe and you can't even see the shimmer underneath it, so that's really nice. And now I'm going to go back with that black color called Wicked, and I'm just going to kind of blend it into the liner a little bit here on the edge. Really pretty look so far. I'm gonna finish my face off camera and then I'll come back for the rest of the eye look. Okay guys, I am back. Now I'm gonna do my bottom eyeshadow. So I'm gonna start with that first color, Boho, and I'm going to take Boho on a Morphe M507 brush, and I'm just going to put this right in the front, just like how I did on the top of my eye. Next, I'm going to take this color Camouflage. Using the same brush, I'm going to blend this on the other half of my lower lid. And next, I'm going to take this color Wicked, and I'm going to use that to kind of smoke out Camouflage a little bit on the end here. Last but not least, I'm going to grab this color again, and I'm going to use this on a Morphe M506 brush, and I'm just going to brighten my inner corner with this color. Next, I'm going to use Norvina Cosmetics Chroma Stix in the color Apricot, and I'm going to put this color in my, what is this called again? Not lash line, waterline. I'm gonna put this color in my waterline. Okay, and now I'm going to put on lashes and I'll be right back to show you guys the finished look. Okay guys, this is the finished look. I really like how it came out. Really, really pretty. I don't do greens enough. This is so pretty. I love the shimmery cut crease. It's been a while since I've done that. I really do miss shimmers and glitters, so I definitely want to get back into those. This palette is really, really pretty. I wish I could have played more with like the pinks and stuff. I wish I would have added that somewhere, but yeah, everything that I've tried so far though has blended out flawlessly. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I hope you guys love this new backdrop and what it's giving. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching. Stay tuned and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.